Now look at this news article. This news article talks about GSAT-18. Now currently GSAT-18 is in news because Public Accounts Committee has asked government to reduce the avoidable expenses when it comes to this particular satellite. So from the prelims perspective, we have to learn about two different things. Firstly, the GSAT-18, and secondly, we have to know about Public Accounts Committee. So without any delay, let us get into the syllabus under which this particular topic can be asked. So it can be asked even under GS paper 2, and in GS paper 3, awareness in fields of IT space. Particularly under this space, this particular topic can be asked. Now we shall see about GSAT-18. It is nothing but a high powered communication satellite. So it has 6 extended C-band transmitter, which is for use in 2027, and the very important purpose of this particular satellite is to support telecommunication, then TV, DSNG and VSAT services. This will ensure continuity in C-band, extended C-band and KU band services. Now looking at the key details, so it has the launch weight of 3404 kilogram. Mission life is 15 years, and the power is powered by a solar array, as well as there is 2 lithium ion batteries, and it is a type, when we talk about the type, it is communication satellite, as I said earlier, and it is manufactured by ISRO indigenously, and the orbit under which this particular satellite surrounds is geosynchronous orbit. So what is this geosynchronous orbit? Is nothing but it syncs with the rotation of the earth. So if earth is taking 23 hours and a few minutes, so this satellite will align with that time taken by the earth to rotate itself. Now we shall see about the Public Accounts Committee. It is most important parliamentary committee. I am telling this because it is responsible for examining the government's expenditure to ensure accountability and transparency, and that is why it is a very important parliamentary committee. So it brings in checks and balances. Let me tell you how. Before that, we shall see about the key establishment. It was established in 1921 under the Government of India Act 1919. Remember this. It has composition of 22 members, 15 from Lok Sabha and 7 from Rajya Sabha. And it is the members are appointed. They are actually elected annually by Parliament through proportional representation, and the chairman will be appointing the elected members by Speaker of Lok Sabha. The chairperson is traditionally appointed from the opposition to bring in the checks and balances. So you can use these points in your mains answer as well to show that how Indian democracy has aligned itself based on checks and balances. Now moving on, we shall see about the functions of it. Firstly, examining the CAG's report. See, CAG's report, it is prepared by Controller and Auditor General, and he will be providing both the data about the central expenses as well as the state expenses, and he will be submitting it to President. President will be placing it in front of the Parliament. So when it is placed in front of the Parliament, this Public Accounts Committee, they will take care of scrutinizing this particular report, and they will provide directions on how to regularize or how to minimize the expenditure, unwanted expenditure, so that the minimal resource that is available can be used in useful ways. So it will be identifying the instances of wasteful spending, irregularities or financial mismanagement, and it will help scrutinize expenditures to ensure they align with Parliament's approval, and they will ensure accountability of public funds by ministries and government departments. So this is a very important thing that you have to remember. Now moving on, based on the based on the topic we have discussed, I have framed a question for you. Which of the following is not a function of PSC? So here the correct answer for the particular question is option C, investigating cases of corruption independently.